Hello guys, it's Toby here, and welcome back. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys see what happened to episode 1. Well, as you can see, we already made a small base, made the small crops and some chests to put some stuffs in, and we already made a private chest stuffs. So yeah, that's all. Welcome guys to Sibo, episode 2. So yun guys, welcome back to episode 2. Well, dito sa part na to, wala akong masyadong ginagawa. And more likely, nag-iisip ako kung ano gagawin. And syempre, kasama na yung pagbabantay ng base namin. Kasi, alam niyo, baka biglang may magnakaw. Spoiler alert. Dito naman sinama ko si Zep, which is the second farmer sa Sibal. And then, explain ko kung ano yung ganap sa crops. Dalawang layer pa lang ito. Meron pang pangalawa. Uy, cookie minum.
Yo, ano yun? Sumabog.
Tara baba. Nangyari? Hello? Malamang tao ba? May sumabog kanina. May sumabog kanina. Narinig mo?
Sumabog nga eh.
Ito.
May tao dito.
Saan?
Dito, may nagsasalita.
Uy, ulis ka dyan.
Dito. Dito, may nagsasalita dito.
Saan yan? Saan yan?
Nawala. Saan na yun? May nagsasalita, nag-uusap, sabi yung gamit niya daw eh.
Nasaan yung gamit? Nasaan may gamit daw? Saan yung gamit?
May gamit daw, tinatanong niya kung nakuha nung kasama niya. Hmm.
Ay! Ay!
What? Ayun.
Ginagawa niyo dito!
A few moments later.
Lagay dito! Saan na yan? Wala. Ano yung Zep? Zep, saan ka na Zep? Tara!
Nawala na?
Hindi ko nakita eh. Hanapin natin.
Okay.
Tara! Hindi pa ka nandito. Well, sadly, di ko sila nahuli. But, nakuha ko ba dito? Maybe next time. Next time guys, mahuli namin mo yan.
Few minutes later.
So, after nung nangyaring incident guys, I went back. I started terraforming. I started kunin yung mga crops. Kasi, punong-puno na. Like, pwede na siya later plant. So, I started replanting after. And then, I just put them in the chest. And start farming again. Nag-restock lang ako. And then, nag-expand ako nung land namin. Para mas maraming crops. And then, suddenly this happened.
We're discussing this kasi we just talk about this like on our early live na bawal. This is like, okay, first of all, who are you and what are you doing here?
Um, I was just trying to find a shelter because I was dying.
Depending on what your answer is, you're gonna get shot 3 times in the ass.
Oh, you're
Come back
running!
here.
Kill him!
He's
Kill him!
running, he's running,
Kill him!
he's running, he's
Kill him!
running.
Kill him! Kill him!
He's running,
Kill
he's
him!
running, he's
Kill him!
running.
Just kill him! Just kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
No, I will bite.
You're not respecting
I
the
will
rules.
I will
You're
bite.
You're not respecting.
I will bite.
Last chance. Last chance. Don't
I will
move.
buy it.
Last chance. Don't move.
Stand still.
3.
Stand still. Stand still. This is really bad kasi we were just discussing about this na bawal talaga pumasok.
True.
And you know
And wait,
what's
hold on,
funny?
hold on. Come
Ah,
here, potato.
Yeah, you come here.
Come here.
Uh-huh.
I don't know your name pala. Come here, intruder.
Name.
Hey, Mash, remember, tomorrow, 64 Iron. If you're not We're gonna put bounty on your head, or we're gonna kill you.
Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Go na,
Oh,
go,
that's
go,
good.
go, get the fuck
You
out
go,
of
you
here.
go, you go. Get out of here.
Okay.
Puntahan ko kaya.
Sa taas na lang bundok, namin mo lang. Dalawang, uy, gagi, ang bilis nga nila. May mga bids dito.
God what the hell is this?
Oh, by the way,
Hindi.
look at this. Look at this. Nga pala, may saw pala dito.
Wait, teleport na kayo. I need to
Ay,
wait
go
for
lang, go
like
lang. It's okay.
40 seconds.
Wait, is this
Oh.
possible? Ay, this is furniture. Bawal nila gawin yan.
Ako si ano sir? Ako si Squid.
Squid.
Sir, ba't
Ah.
wala ka kanina dito ah? Parang bigla ka na lang sumulpot dyan.
A few inches later.
Oh, this ongoing
May isa pa
progress.
dito,
Ay!
oh. Ay,
Hello?
sino to?
Oh, that's
Ay.
that's my friend.
What are
His
you,
name
Evelyn?
is Tokyo.
What's your
Sir,
name?
ginagawa mo dyan?
What's your name?
Ay, sir, ako si Squid, sir.
Fuck you, Squid.
Sir, ang ginagawa mo dyan, parang ikaw tumulak sa akin kanina, sir ah.
Uy, kakadating ko lang dito. Ako na si mo.
Parang ano kasi sir eh.
Galing ako dun,
Parang
oh.
naramdaman ko eh.
Galing ako dun, oh.
May ano ako eh. Ano yan, sir?
Galing ako dun, oh. Galing ako. Mali
So, anong pa kanya, sir?
Ano best? Nag-explore lang, boss.
Ay, sir, kasama niyo ba yan dalawa? Yun oh, nahanap ko oh.
Hindi, sir.
Uy,
Namin
ba yan?
pala yan.
Kala ko kasama niyo eh.
tropa ko yan eh, kaso nalaglag sila eh. Sa maling tao.
Sasalita na.
Tignan mo
Gusto
to.
ko ba sa akin yan ah?
Tignan mo to, tignan mo to. Tignan mo, tignan mo.
Ayan, sir.
Ayun, oh.
Sige, sir. Ay, po.
Mamatay siya! Mamatay siya! Mamatay siya, gagi ka! Mamatay siya!
Sabi ko na, ikaw nga yun eh.
Sir, ayos ka lang ba, sir?
Hindi, joke lang, man.
Okay
Joke
lang
lang,
ako,
joke
sir.
lang. Joke lang. Ano,
Okay
joke
na ako,
lang
sir.
yun. Kasama yun sa prank ko eh. Prankster kasi ako eh.
Prankster. Ay,
Likod mo, sir. Likod mo, sir.
Prankster talaga ako eh.
ay, may bata.
Bata.
May
Uy,
anak.
takbo!
Ako, may anak. Ako, may anak. Walang.
Hindi ko mataba.
Takbo!
Lumalabas yung pagiging matanda ko eh.
Check kita mo, sir. Ganda, no? Sana ganyan din yung base ko eh, no?
Asan, sir?
Ayun, no?
Gusto mo ganyan, sir? Lipat natin dun sa iyo, sir. Tara.
Pwede.
Ano, baklasin natin buo.
Pwede ba natin buhatin yan? Tara, testing na natin.
Pwede.
Punta ka sa gitna, sir. Punta ka sa gitna.
Ano, ritual ata to eh.
Oo, dito. Papasok ko dyan.
Uy, gagi. Labog. Tutungan natin.
Yan,
Yan.
pasok ka.
Mhm.
We are here for today. Our sacrificial lamb.
Uy, ano sa...
Spice ba to? This is onion.
Dami.
Ba't ang farmer? Ba't farmer?
Look at this! Yo!
Oh my gosh! Ang laki!
Uy.
Ang luwag!
That's what
Ay,
she
patingin.
said.
Yung tubig.
Mamatay
Yung
tayo.
maganda naman, eh.
Oh! Intrusive thought wins.
I mean, hanggang doon lang yung use natin.
the TP is not that bad, you know.
Wait, nandito pa rin si Romel?
Ah, nandito pa si Romel. Romel.
Um,
Hindi, si Yan nandun na. Okay na yan. Nalilipat na yan. Ito ang hindi pa nililipat. This guy. Gusto mo ba ngayon na? Wala pang pwesto yan dun eh.
Lipat natin. Ay, siya yung receptionist.
Ayaw nga pala. Come here,
Oo nga,
dumbass.
diba?
Alright. Anyway, that's a GG muna for me.
GG!
GG's. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
GG's.
Tokyo. Good
Welcome.
night.
Good night, guys.